Hello guys, this is Mr. Loreline, and this is the weekly roundup for Literature 7 for September 14th until September 18th. So, last week we were reviewing and going over context clues, so we're going to pick that back up for one more day, and of course finish that while reading Chapter 2 and finishing Chapter 2 of the novel, The City of Ember. Then, starting the 15th of September, we're going to go to a new standard, which is Theme, and we're going to begin working on Theme while reading Chapters 3 through 4 of The City of Ember. And then we're going to have some practice looking at some Pixar movies on Wednesday, going over themes, and then continue reading Chapter 4, and then finish reading 4 and 5. On Thursday, we'll read Chapter 6 of The City of Ember, while also working on that skill of theme and have a little fun game of quizzes. And then on Friday, we're going to read The City of Ember, keep working on theme, see what's going on in our story and what morals and lessons we can take away. And then, of course, finish up with a little activity, a group activity, watching 2 videos, and then trying to find the theme in both of those videos. So, that is your weekly roundup in Literature 7.